Good morning students, I'm Ritu, your science teacher. Today in this video, we are going to perform an activity and this activity is based on our 7th chapter, that is getting to know plants. So today, with the help of this activity, we will get to know about a leaf. All relevant things which are related to a leaf, we will get know. Let's start the activity. To perform this activity, take a leaf. Now put this leaf under a white sheet of paper or a sheet in your notebook. Here I have my notebook and I am putting this under this sheet of paper like this. Hold it in a position, steady position. Now with the help of pencil, we will try to draw it with a free hand. You can see we get an impression of leaf with many lines. These lines on the leaf, these lines are called veins. Do you see a prominent line in the middle of this leaf? This line is called midrib. And the part of leaf by which it connected with the stem, या फिर we can say it is attached to the stem, it is called petiole. This is the part. ये वाला जो part है ना, ये वाला, this is called petiole. And the broad green part of the leaf called lamina. This whole leaf. And the designing made by veins in a leaf is called leaf venation. Leaf venation is of two types. First is reticulate venation, second is parallel venation. In reticulate venation, leaf design is net-like. You can see in this leaf clearly कि जो veins हैं उन्होंने एक नेट की तरह नेटवर्क बनाया हुआ है. It seems like a net. So this kind of venation is reticulate venation. Second type of venation is parallel venation. In parallel venation, you can see the veins are arranged in a parallel pattern. You can see easily in this leaf. So this leaf has parallel venation. Observe the venation in many leaves as you can, but without removing them from the plant. Try to perform this activity at your home. You can also add your innovative ideas in this activity